Hello, I'm John Darling, one of the cloud engineers here at Velosio, and today I'm going to talk with you a bit about some of the common misconceptions around Microsoft Teams, clear those up, and tell you what the truth is about this wonderful collaborative platform. The first misconception is that Microsoft Teams is just another chat application, but really it's so much more than that. It's a complete audio and video meeting solution with the capability to also be an SMB phone system as well. It's also the best collaboration platform for companies on Microsoft 365, looping in your data from Dynamics 365, SharePoint, Teams, and the associated Teams apps all into one easy-to-use user interface. Another common misconception is that Microsoft Teams is only for larger organizations, but that couldn't be further from the truth. If you are a team, then Microsoft Teams is for you. It will improve your communication, workflow, and minimize application switching for your users throughout the day. Also, nearly all Microsoft 365 and Office 365 licenses already include Teams, so there's not an additional cost associated with using it. Some folks are also under the impression that Microsoft Teams is complicated and difficult to use. But if you're a parent of a child who is using Microsoft Teams during COVID, then you know that even the youngest Microsoft users can quickly master Teams. It also has a great mobile app for both iOS and Android, so you can use Teams from your phone or tablet with a near one-to-one user experience. And if you need a bit more help, Velosio is happy to tailor small or large group trainings for your organization so that everyone can be comfortable with the basic or more advanced functions of Microsoft Teams. If you're curious about helping your organization adopt Microsoft Teams more deeply, please give us a yell. We'd love to help you out. And thank you for attending today's video about Microsoft Teams.